Basta ako, boy. Sinabi mo.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hi guys! Today is Monday and nagising ako around 9:30 and kumilos ako around 10 and I made my morning coffee. Ano siya? Yung beans ko right now is Sagada Golden Rose and gumamit ako ng Bear Brand Fortified na nasa Tetra Pak and condensed milk and super sarap niya. It's already 12 p.m. na and I'm just fixing my Notion kasi last weekend and kahapon hindi ko tinouch yung Notion ko. So, update ko lang siya with my everyday, task, checklist, to-do list. And my plans for that day is, actually wala pa, magpa-plan pa lang ako kung anong gagawin ko. But tomorrow, meron akong YouTube posting. And tomorrow, kailangan ko mag-post ng video. And later, kailangan ko mag-post rin ng video for TikTok. So, yun lang. Parang yun ang agenda ko. To post every day. To create content every day. Para for my creativity din. I wanna level up my editing skills. Gusto ko mag-change. Pero wala rin namang mali sa staying the same when it comes to creation. For me, parang I don't know kung anong mga pinagsasabi ko. Pero I'm just gonna fix my Notion and also gonna journal about what happened the past days because I haven't also touched this one. And lately, I've been consistent with all my stuff. It's really, 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 really good to be like this again, diba? Anyways, gonna update my Notion na and Hi guys, it's already 3:45 and kakagawa ko lang ng aking matcha. Itong matcha na to is bagong recipe siya. Nakita ko lang yung recipe niya sa TikTok and ginaya ko. Gatas na ginamit ko is combination of condensed milk tsaka coconut water. Okay naman siya, masarap naman siya and I think nadamihan ko lang siya ng condensed milk dun sa mixture ko. So, siguro bibili ako ulit mamaya ng buko juice. Okay naman siya all in. Natikman ko na siya kahapon. Pero, ayun na, nag-overpower na yung condensed milk. So, ayun. So, pretty much, yung mga daily delights ko, daily delights as in plans ko, or to-do list ko is, medyo okay naman siya. Like, half of it is nagawa ko na. Like, i-posting ako, ganyan. Siguro hanggang 4 to 5 or starting right now, until mamaya kasi mag-walk ako, is mag-update lang ako ng journal ko. Kasi, yun nga, tagal ko siyang hindi na-update simula at the weekend. So, gonna be updating that. Hi guys. Gonna go out like right now. Katapos ko lang mag-get ready and I'm going out to walk, to do my daily walks. And yun ang plans ko. Walk. Yeah, yun lang. Anyways, yung mga to-do ko is nagawa ko naman. Like yung major agenda ko for today is nagawa ko is to edit a vlog. And yeah, na-edit ko naman siya, natapos ko naman siya. And siguro after ko mag-walk is gonna update my journal and my lesson. And yeah, ayun na. I'm going out na to do my daily walk.
Eh, kinakanta ko sa inyo kay, ano?
Nagulo ko, Mesko.
Eh,
Hi guys! So I ordered the peppermint mocha latte sa But First Coffee. And iti-taste test natin siya. Tapos pinahalo ko na yung whipped cream para nga hindi dome cup kasi ayoko ng ganito. Pero ginto pa rin nila nilagay. Kaya dapat sinabi ko nga sige pero hayaan na na. Tikman na natin siya.
Study pero dapat pakakwento. Ano ba yan?
Sarap. Sarap niya.
Ano ba yan?
So my plan for the rest of the day is mag-journal ako today, like right now, kaya kami lumabas with my cousin. Tapos pagka-uwi, baka mag-catch up ako sa Notion and then mag-edit. Since kanina nag-edit ako, parang tinatamad ako. So, ayun, journal na lang ako. Parang medyo marami rin akong i-journal ngayon since hindi ako masyadong okay in these past days. So yeah, yun lang.
Nagulat ako no 74 pa yung
Still what you wait. Guys, today is Monday na and it's already 3:54 and right now tapos ko lang mag-get ready para umalis cause I'm gonna buy some hair dye and it's gonna be my outfit. Basic lang tapos and yun lang.
Doing things they ain't seen before.